no, chico, just say it.
Hello everyone, back again with me on the Himbo Warlow channel. Here I will show you all about life in the African interior tribe. Like in this video, this mother is explaining in detail how to serve a very delicious dish. A dish that is made perfectly. It looks very tempting to the tongue to immediately taste it. The pungent aroma that enters the nose explains how delicious the dish is. The dish served is the result of today's hunt and is still very fresh to be. Processed into a very nutritious and protein-rich dish. Plus, spices make the dish have a different taste than usual. Cut meat and additional. Fresh vegetables make the dish look very luxurious and make anyone who sees it will be amazed. Especially when eaten while still warm adds a more delicious taste than usual. Very appetizing, right? What do you think? Write in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can see more life there. Thank you.